Welcome to another Alabrave YouTube session. Today we are going to focus on grade 7 CBC music, and we introduce rhythmic patterns. The rhythmic patterns are going to help us in understanding what you call sight reading. It is very important for you to know the symbols and what time values they have. For you to understand the symbols and their time values, kindly check the video under the link in the description section. The link in the description section directs you to the session where we learned about notes and note values. Keep your hands ready for clapping. If you have wooden sticks like mine, also have them ready because they are going to introduce us to rhythm playing. Now we start with rhythm pattern 1. We have crochet knots and crochet rest. It has a 4-4 time signature. That is 4 crochets for every bar or for every measure. So we start with the first one at a slow tempo. 1, 2, 3, go. That's the first line. Second line, that's the second line. Silence is observed at the rests. Third line, we start it with a rest. So, we can repeat the rhythmic practice at a faster tempo to see how it sounds. I will guide the tempo. Make sure you follow up. 1, 2, 3, go. That's a faster speed of how you can play it. You can also try to move it a little bit faster, but due to the nature of it being practiced, try to follow up. Make sure you understand when to keep the rest and when not to keep the rest, so your eyes have to be ready to detect how long the note is going to be played or how long the rest is going to be withheld. Let's take a small break. We come back with more practice. Welcome back. I hope you've taken enough break. We continue with 4, 5, 6, practicing rhythmic pattern. We start with line 4. 1, 2, 3, go. We just played line 4. Line 5 starts with 2 rests, so there is no playing here. It only has one. However, the time duration for the rest has to be kept. So in this case, you have the count 1, 2, then 3, 4. So it goes this way. That's line number 5. We proceed to line number 6. Crochet, knot, 2 crochet rest, crochet knot. Let's do this. We start 1, 4, 1, 3, 1, 3, 4. And that is line 6, how we can play it. Keep practicing. It comes with time, slowly by slowly. See you. Bye-bye.